Alright, November 29. Gonna do February 14th. February 14th to February 18th. Get right into it. I'm not gonna lie, I know last backtesting session I said I need to take my time, but I actually have to leave at 12 today, which is in less than 30 minutes, so let's see if I can knock this out. If not, I might have to cut it short and continue the rest. I'm gonna try to do it as efficient as possible and then just continue the rest in the next session. I think it's would be better. Alright. Looks like price can be drawn to these highs up here first before moving any lower. So for the meantime, I am bullish until these highs up here. Got London high there. See what happens. We got 8:30 news. See if price can manipulate lower first before continuing higher. I think that'd be pretty fire. It's 5 minute fair value gap in this hourly low. So far nothing. Manipulate the high. These are some good targets down here if we want to continue lower. So see how price reacts off of this hourly fair value gap, 4 hour hourly intermediate. It's an intermediate from high within a 4 hour gap. I bet. Let's see how price reacts off of this. We got SMT at London high now, and we got SMT with the internal high as well. SMT right here, and SMT right here. We got a 3 minute, 2 minute, 2 minute right here. This would be a 4 minute. Be a 5 minute. Nope, it's a 4 minute. Holy dump, bro. Oh, now we have SMT at the lows. This is going to be a 4 minute inversion. Sure there's no 5 minute? Yeah, no 5 minutes, so it's just a 4 minute inversion. We already took out our draws though, unfortunately. So see if we could get a 5 minute fair value gap to open up. Alright, we got a 5 minute opened up here. Still potential for price to go lower. Um, Mark this 5 minute fair value gap out. See how price reacts here. We inverse the 5 minute. SMT with the hourly. It's not coming off a gap or anything. This would be a 5 minute version, so potentially we could get a continuation up to the until the 4 hour. 10:20. Just chop around. 10:45. It's already too late. In my opinion, too late into the session. That's a bullish gap here. So potentially we could see higher. Alright, let's see. It's 11:03 already. Since we already chopped around, this is not the best setup, and it's already 11, past 11. But this is not a a bad inversion. The only thing bad about it is time. Time and what price did prior to this inversion. So say you did have your stop lower or at CE of that wick. Notice how in last video CE got respected. CE also got respected on this one. Kind of have to put it at the 75% of the wick. And we got that 1 minute OB here. Still got respected. And then buy side got hit. Buy side ended up getting hit here. It's just purely time. Time, just what we did prior to it. We just chopped around after, so not the best setup, and it's 11 p.m. or 11 a.m. Go to the next day. Tuesday, we got PPI. Alright. Once you have price reacts to this hourly fair value gap here, got buy side up here. We are inside of this 4 hour, so we could move lower. We'll see. Price is going to move higher. I'd want to see this 15-minute here. Alright, draw. Internal draw will be this buy side here. Got some good draws to the upside. Got that unfilled 15-minute right here. See if we create a 5-minute fair value gap or something. So we re-manipulate the lows. We don't tap into an imbalance. We re-sweep this low here. Re-sweep this low, get an SMT. And then we get a 2-minute inversion to the upside. A 2-minute here. I'm gonna take a stab at this setup here. Stop at the low. Take profit at the 15-minute unfilled. It just chopped up. They got hella chopped up here. Wanted to go break even at this high. Or even just hold it through the whole thing. It wasn't really a spot to go break even. Yeah, we'll see. Alright, TP ended up getting hit a whole hour later. Damn near an hour. But completely valid setup. Still liked it. We got SMT at this low. Resweep the low that tapped into the hourly fair value gap. Had an unfilled 15-minute right here. It's a clear draw. And then external or internal draw being the buy side up here. Just got completely chopped up. But the price did chop up here, but saw it as accumulation really. Price accumulated, manipulated. I'd say I'd want a stronger manipulation. Like if price was able to come down here to this 15-minute gap, that would have been a lot better. But the inversion was pretty clean in my opinion. See if we get up there. Sideways PA. Alright, go next day. or sleeping this high out here. Getting a strong rejection, so it looks like price can come down to this internal low, intermediate term low. We might get an SMT here with ES. Alright, it's perfect. If we come up into this 15-minute fair value gap, get a rejection, it'd be pretty nice setup. 15-minute gap right here on ES, and a 15-minute gap here on NQ. Accumulation. Okay, we can't manipulate out here. Alright, open up a new 5-minute. Got SMT at the highs as well. Come back to this 5-minute for value gap. Alright, we can't get that. So we get a 5-minute inversion here, potentially if we open up a 5-minute. We'll see. No. Continuation lower. See if we got any draws. Draws super far. Will be the sell side down here. Got an unfilled 15-minute here. Alright, need a 5-minute to open up. Okay, we get a 5-minute right here. See how price reacts here. Just up this intermediate term low within the 15-minute imbalance, and then tap into a lower 5-minute. Yeah, we did. Tap into a lower 5-minute. This is 9:55. Alright. Yeah, SMT at the low. It's at 10 a.m. which I do like. It's pretty fire. We have a 15-minute gap. We got a 15-minute unfilled right here. And then let's see how price closes here. If this 5-minute gets inverse, I'm down to take this. Or we don't inverse it. Get a 1-minute close to the downside. Yeah, I'm gonna wait on this one. So there we got a 5-minute close, 10:05. Be going for 1R. Not a huge fan of this lower time frame price action. I don't like this. Super chop, super wiki. Could definitely hit TP, but I'm gonna fade this one. Alright, would have gotten stopped out there. We got another SMT. Can't even get that 2-minute inversion. 10:15. That looks like we're gonna chop around. Four-minute inverse right here, but it's past 11. This would be a pretty good trade, in my opinion. Tap into that 5-minute with that resweep, and we have 4-minute inversion. We got low resistance liquidity generated to the downside. Or not, we just chop. Yeah, just purely time. I mean, if this was sooner in the session or something, this is a good setup. But overall, we're just chopping around. We did dump pretty fat. 100, 200 points about. Let's go to the next day. Let's see, we got alright, still in this tight range. Haven't manipulated anything. We got this buy side up top and the sell side down here. We're inside of this 4-hour for value gap. You got SMT at the low. Chopping up. I want to see if price can manipulate anywhere. Kind of just chopping. So come lower. Probably gonna take these lows out here. Just got those lows. We got SMT there. We have 4 minute, 4 minutes, 5 minute. That's 5 minutes as well. 2. Okay, we got a 5 minute close here. We have 5 minute inversion. Let's see if we're in anything. Intermediate term low within a gap. Got a okay. Not the best inversion. It's a bit 5 minute. Break even at this high. Just don't have anything. It's just a gap. No SMT, sweeping sell side. I'm gonna fade this one. Could definitely hit that a 1-to-1. Let's see if it hits a 1-to-1. Be right here. Yeah. Just the inversion itself wasn't good. 3 minute was wiki. 2 minute, not the best. Off this resweep though, potentially. No, we just continue lower. Draw is super far, so probably not gonna take anything this day. It's already 10:45. All right, go to next day. We just kind of dump, sweep sell side. Don't get anything for the rest of the session. Nothing, nothing clean. All right, we got sell side down here. Sell side right here. Hourly gap. We got these highs up here. Already have SMT at the lows. So if I could get a pullback into potentially this 15 minute up here, that'd be fire. Bro, missed it. Damn. Damn. Would have been a fire trade. Missed the high by literally, like, probably a tick. It's unfortunate. We did get a resweep with a high, and we're still holding this lower 15 minute for value gap, but I really would want to see it. Would have wanted to see that 15 minute. So would have been a 1 minute inversion. Yeah, it would have been a 1 minute inversion. I have a 5 minute for value gap here. Unless we just sell off to sell side. I don't think there was a setup here. Yeah, no setup. Okay, we get a sweep of the high. Got a 5 minute for value gap. It's 10 a.m. Get this 5 minute inversion. Should be a fat trade. See how it looks. like how we came up, took liquidity, and tapped the 15-minute, but I don't like how we have SMT here. It's pretty high resistance low. The price is super bearish. Ooh, that's a strong rejection off that sell side level. I just think we could get lower. This is like the external draw down here. But ES looks pretty choppy for its price action. I'm not too confident in this one, but it's still really early into the session. We just manipulated. It's 10 a.m. I'm actually gonna take it. Price already manipulated. It's 10 a.m. Me break even right there. Nice. Good trade. Good trade. So we get this 5-minute version, right? The way I was thinking about it, draw is still the external low down here, right? We just inversed this hourly fair value gap. This SMT was purely for price to come up and manipulate. Since price manipulated and 10 a.m. opened right here, and we already displaced lower and got an inversion, there's no need for price to manipulate again for 10 a.m. since it already manipulated. What made this even better is that I think no, we didn't get SMT there. But 10 a.m. open, it's a new 4-hour candle. I'm expecting price to, not expecting, but I would want to see price expand for this new 4-hour candle. Even though we have SMT down here, external draw is still clear. So break even at the low right here. Really like the manipulation that we had and the time that it was, which is 10 a.m. or at entry was at 10:05. And then ES still had targets, right? We created relative equal lows with that external draw, and then with the low that we have SMT, it's still LRLR. SMT doesn't completely mean reversal. It's just another confluence. So yeah, we held this 15-minute, tapped this 15-minute instant rejection. Solid trade for a 1.77R. Nice setup, nice setup. Looking at a good week, good month so far. It's a good month. All right. Super fire session for 23 minutes long. 23-minute long video. Nice. I think it's Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. So end this here. All right. Later, guys.